The mother cat took the little cat to the police and reported the entire story in detail. The mother cat was furious upon seeing that her child had been abused right in the classroom. After hearing the story, the police immediately mobilized a task force to assemble and head to the school. The mother cat, along with the police, entered the room to check the security cameras and review the situation where the teacher had hit the little cat. On the way to find the teacher who had hit the little cat, they encountered her. The teacher was startled and panicked when she saw the mother cat accompanied by the police. After the teacher watched the footage of her abusing the student, the police handcuffed her and took her to the station. The mother cat was taken to the hospital.